Do you want to make and use your own unique cursor on your computer? Then this short video tutorial will show you how to make and apply custom cursor for your Windows computer. So first up, you have to locate the image you want to use. Then take note that it should be in a PNG format with a transparent background. Then go to this website, click Edit a Photo, click Open, set a Create Image, set the canvas size, then click Create. Now ideally, you can enter 45 for the width and 50 in the height box. Once done, click Designer tab on the left, click Add Photo, upload your image, then drag the image into the editor. Once you're done doing that, click Apply and save the new image on your computer. Now if that did not work, you can try converting your image. To do so, open your browser, go to this following website, press Enter, then click Choose Files, select your image, click Convert, then choose Download. Now to change your cursor on your computer, you have to search for Mouse Settings, choose Additional Mouse Options, click Pointers tab, click Browse, select your mouse image, then click Apply. And those are the following ways on how to make your own custom mouse cursor on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.